So you want a rugged phone that has both a thermal imaging camera and a night vision camera. Then the Armor 25T Pro may be the device that you're looking for. The Armor 25T Pro is a new 5G rugged phone introduced by Ulefone. The device is expected to launch on the 1st of June and it is going to be very affordable. And as regarding the thermal camera, it is said to be the latest ThermalView thermal imaging camera that boasts up to 160 by 120 high resolution. It is actually very similar to the Flare Lepton 3.5. And like I mentioned earlier, the device also supports a night vision camera, and according to the details, it's a 64 MP night vision camera. So this device has both a thermal imaging camera and a night vision camera, something that a lot of rugged phone fans would definitely appreciate. Anyway, as regarding the specs of the Armor 25T Pro, the top specs, the device is said to have a 6.78-inch Full HD Plus IPS LCD display with a 120Hz refresh rate. It is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 6300 processor, which is better than the processor of the Oukitel WP35, which is the Dimensity 6100 Plus. The phone also utilizes 12GB RAM and it has a 256GB internal storage that can be expanded. Now the battery capacity of this device is not very large, it is quite moderate. It is a 6500 mAh battery, it supports 33 watts fast charging and 30 watts wireless charging. That's right guys, this phone supports wireless charging. The front facing camera, I forgot to mention that the front facing camera of the device is 32 MP, but there you go. The phone is also said to be one of the thinnest and lightest rugged phones, but I currently do not know its dimensions yet. The phone also ships with the Android 14. It is rated IP68 and IP69K. It supports NFC, OTG, a side-mounted fingerprint scanner and face unlock support, and so on guys. So these are the top features of the Armor 25T Pro. As you can see, it's actually loaded with tons of cool specs and features, especially its night vision camera and thermal imaging camera guys. It's just amazing. Its main camera is actually 50 MP, so thank God that I actually mentioned that. Its main camera is 50 MP and it has a thermal imaging camera and a 64 MP night vision camera. So if you do not really care about how large the battery of a rugged phone is and you really want a rugged phone that has both a thermal imaging camera and a night vision camera, then the Armor 25T Pro may be the device that you are looking for. Anyway, feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.